My Jenn Air Oven Model W30400p timer is stuck, it will not turn off. How can this be fixed?
Hi, my name is Farrell and I will be helping you with your problem today. Thanks for your question. Unfortunately, the only way to fix your problem is to replace the clock. 71,001,799 clock, $203.92 available at Sears Parts and Service Centers. Before servicing, remember to turn the breaker off. In changing wires to the new clock, go one wire at a time, so as not to get mixed up. Thanks.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.